Welcome back. First video, we have created this. Like, see that user can draw with the pencil. See that, but this is not very clear. So that we will do after this video. So means in the next video that we will do, we will rectify this more. So today in this video, we are going to create this line and rectangle also, and also are going to create this select color. So here let's go to the Trello first, and here see that add pencil working control that we have did successfully here. So here I'm going to change its label. So let's change its label here. So I'm going to change its label to green here. Now let's move this here, and here we are going to do here first of all upgrade whiteboard to add shapes here. So we are going to upgrade this. So let's add the label here to the working. So now as we are using Rough.js here, so here we have to use this line and we have to use rectangle here. So for the line, we are going to use rc.line. So with the help of generator, so you can see in the code here, so we have used generator here. When I will go to the components, and in the components there is whiteboard, and here you can see we have a generator here, but we are not using this generator for now. For now we are not using this generator because for the path we don't need any generator here. So for creating the shapes, like creating the shape line and rectangle, so for that we are going to use generator here, and for that we are going to use line function, and after that for the rectangle we are going to use roughjs dot rectangle function. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. Create our rectangle here. So first of all we will go for the line here. So here we have to modify something here. So when we will go here, so let's go to the pages, and under that let's go to the room page, and here we will be having some functions here. So for the tools, selection of tool, we have this one, state, that is tool, and set tool. So we are going to use this. So let's pass the tool here. So tool will be the tool here. Just save this. And now let's go to the whiteboard. So here we will also get the tool, and according to the tool, we will configure this. So here, first of all, see that this is for the pencil here. So here, first of all, we will check if pencil, if tool is equals to pencil, if tool is equals to pencil, then we will do this. Otherwise, we are going to mark the other condition. So second, now we are going to do for the line here. So first of all, let's set for the pencil here also. So here let's set for the pencil. If tool is equals to pencil, then do this. Else we will do for the other thing. So here, let's see the changes here. So by default, we have the pencil, and see that here we are getting like this. Now, when we will go to the use layout here, so let's go to there. So use layout effect. So here we also have to check the element type. So if the element type will be pencil, then we will use rough canvas. Otherwise, we are going to use generator here. So here, let's try this. So if element dot type is equals to pencil, so if element dot type is equals to pencil, then we are going to do this. Save this, and here when I will refresh this, So let's refresh this because our clean canvas button is not working. So that we will do in the next video. So here, see that now we are currently under the pencil here. So for the pencil, this line is working. Now let's go for the line. So when I will write here, so when I'm using the line or using the rectangle, so nothing is working here. So now this is because we have the if condition here. See that if element or type is equals to pencil, then we are going to do something. If tool is equals to pencil, then we are going to do something. So now let's go for the line here. So first of all, on mouse down, here will be the else condition. So else, if tool is line, then we are going to set this. First of all, for the line, what we need. So see that here for the line, we need this one, x1, y1, x2, and y2. So now let's create a logic for this line here. So now let's complete that function here. So here we have this one, set elements, previous elements. So here we are going to set its object. So first of all, there will be previous elements, and then we are going to set the object. So first of all, type will be line here, and then we have to set the offset x and offset y. And now here will be two different things. So here there will be x2 and y2. So instead of x2 and y2, I'm going to add width and height here. So let's add that. So here let's add width. So here the width will be the first we have to set the offset x, and by default the height will be offset y. So same will be there here. So stroke, let by default it be black here. So just save this, and now we can see here. Let me refresh this. So here user can create the line here, but as it is not moving. So see that here user can create a line. You can see here user can create a line here, but when we will user will move, so it is not working. So for that, let's go to the mouse move. So here we are going to set the else condition. So set else. So else will be if tool is equals to line. Here we are going to set elements. So element. So if elements dot length -1, and here we have to set for the offset x and offset y. So every time this will be changed, width and height will be changed, but element other things in the elements will be same here. Just save this, and now we can see the changes here. So I'm going to refresh this, and let's select the line, and here you can so let's first of all check this state here. So here path is undefined. So we have the error for path. So we have the error for path here. So we have the error for path because our uh, tool type is line here. So tool type is line. So that's why we have the path here. This error for the path. So here, if element type is equals to pencil, then we are going to do this. Else, if element dot type, so if element dot type is equals to line, then what we are going to do. So element type is equals to line here. So here we are going to do rough generator, rough generator. So rough generator dot line. So we are going to generate the line here. So first of all, there will be element dot offset x, and then there will be offset y, and then here we have the x2 here. So what will be the x2? So x2 will be width and pi2 will be height. Just save this. And now we can see the changes here. So it is at line number 70. So let's see the line number 70. So this is the path here. So this is the path. So here what we are going to do. So by default, we have in the previous video, we by default added this one as a pencil here. So that's why we are going to move this one to here. So just to the pencil, tool is equals to pencil. So just save this. And now we can see the changes. Let's refresh it. See that here, this is pencil and let's see if user can generate the line or not. So here, when I will check the line, so see that user cannot create a line. So this is because, so let's go forward here. So here, this is because here we are generating the line, but we are not drawing on the canvas. So for that, here we have to write rough canvas dot draw, and this will be the function. And we are going to wrap rough generator the line under this. So now let's see if we have any error or not. So see that now we are having pencil, we can create the pencil, but here see that this line is still not working. So here, first of all, let's do one thing here. So here, this, let's first of all set our this canvas here so that it should be looking good. So here, what I'm going to do. So here, I'm going to cut this all canvas, and I'm going to make this canvas as self closing tag. And here I'm going to create one new div, and I'm going to paste this all thing, and this one I'm going to paste it here. And now you can see the changes. We have the canvas here. So we have the canvas here. So now let's move forward. So here we have to set the canvas height and width. So let's set that. So first of all, we are going to set the canvas dot height. So canvas dot height will be equals to window dot inner height. We are going to multiply it with 2. And canvas dot width will be window dot inner height multiplied by 2. And now you can see that we have here the scroll bar. So I'm going to refresh it. And you can see here we are getting good pencil. Pencil is working very good. So see that, but we can move further away also, but we don't want. So for that, what we are going to do. So I'm going to go to the bottom, and here we are going to write overflow hidden. So here will be overflow hidden. Just save this. Now you can see the changes here. Now we have not any type of overflow. So now let's try the line here. So you can see that here line is still not working. So let's figure out why this line is still not working. So here we can see that I'm going to just remove this for the line, and for the updation I'm going to use this. So here you can see our line is also working. See that our line is working, but it is not very clear. So now how we can clear this? So see that why this is happening. So this is happening because whenever we are changing the state, it is drawing the new thing to the canvas. It is not deleting the previous one. So we have to delete the previous one before drawing any line here, because we are moving the line height line axis here. So that's why it is creating like this. And we are drawing this every time over and over. You can see that here in the use layout effect, we have the elements here whenever elements are changing, and we are drawing over and over. So that's why it is coming. So to overcome this, here we are going to write one if condition here. So if condition, so if element length will be greater than 0, so then what we are going to do, so we are going to use ctx reference here, and we are going to clear the rectangle. So we are going to clear the rectangle, and after clearing the rectangle with canvas width and canvas current height, we are going to do this. So now when I will try to add line here, so see that here I can add the line, here I can add the line also here, and here also I can add line here also, and here also, here also, and here also. Same as I can draw with a pencil like this. Now this is very great. So now let's move for the rectangles. For the rectangle, it will be very simple. So let's move for the rectangle here. So what we are going to do? So here we are going to create one more else if. So let's create that. So else if our tool is rectangle, then we are going to set the previous elements. Previous elements will be there, and then here we are going to create the object here. Type will be React. We need offset x, we need offset y, and width is also there. Height if we need, stroke, and just this one we need. So just save this, and now let's move forward here, and let's go for the line. So for the line, we are going to do the same thing. So here will be else if. So else if here we will check if tool is equals to rectangle, and we are going to do this thing, same thing. Just save this. Now we want to show this. So for that, I'm changing this to else if, and here we are going to write if condition here. So if condition will be element type if there is rectangle here. So then we are going to draw here. So we are going to draw. So here will be rough canvas. So first of all, rough canvas will be there, and then we are going to draw. So we are going to draw here. So what we have to draw, so that will be rough generator. Using the rough generator, we are going to generate the rectangle here. See that here we are getting rectangle, and here we have element x, element dot y. So instead of this will be offset x, and this will be offset y. And then here will be the width, and here will be the height. So let's first of all see that if this is actually working or not. So here when I'm going to try this, so see that I can add this rectangle, but it is like this. But we don't want like this here. So see that we can add from here, and we can move like this. This is good actually. Now let's see if we can do this more further. So here what we can do, so here we can add its height as offset x minus element dot offset x, and same for offset y. Just save this, and now let's see the changes here. So now refresh this, and let's select the rectangle. So here now you can see, so we can add like this. So this is looking now good. See that this is looking so beautiful. And by default, what we are going to do, so by default, so here by default, let its width as 0 and height as 0, so that the thing that is coming, so that should not come first. First of all, we should not see any rectangle, so it should be 0. So see that it should start from 0 and go to end. See that it is looking very beautiful here, and see that we can draw the line even, and we can draw the pencil even. See that it is looking very beautiful. So now we have completed this section here. So in the next video, we are going to set the color, and after that we are going to do undo and redo, and then we are going to clear the canvas in the next video. So for today, this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.